Carla Abellana is hoping to one day work with Marian Rivera and Piolo Pascual. In her latest YouTube vlog featuring Alex Gonzaga, the two stars answered some questions for their Truth or Truth video. Among the questions they answered was, who do you want to work with in the future? Marian Rivera. Why not? Bilang lagi ko namang sinasabi, same lang kami ng manager, Carla said in response to the question. The Kapuso Primetime Goddess continued, Papa P, isa yan sa mga nasasabi ko. Papa P, Piolo Pascual. Mga dream kong makawork. Carla renewed her contract with the Kapuso Network in January after a very scary year. She recently starred in Stolen Life with Beauty Gonzalez and Gabby Concepcion. Currently, Carla is working on Widow's War with Bea Alonzo, which is a spin-off of the GMA murder mystery series, Royal Blood, and Widow's Web.